Hey boys and girls, here we got Sam Who Never Forgets by Eve Rice. Okay Sam, let's see how much you remember. Sam Who Never Forgets. In the park. The zoo clock strikes 3. You see the clock, boys and girls? What time is it? 3 o'clock. And every day at 3 o'clock, Sam the zookeeper feeds the animals. Sam never forgets. Sam fills his wagon with good things for the animals to eat. And then he is on his way. Good afternoon, Giraffe, says Sam. I have lovely green leaves for your dinner. And that is just what Giraffe likes best. Thank you, says Giraffe. And Sam is gone. Hello, monkeys, Sam says, and hands them yellow bananas. Splendid, said the monkeys. Sam never forgets. Next is Seal. Sam throws him fish. Deliciously good, barks Seal. And then comes Bear, who loves red berries. Sam always brings him some. Sam feeds the hungry crocodiles. Ooh. And long-legged ostrich. He gives fresh meat to lion. And oats to quiet zebra. Then Sam's wagon is empty, and off he goes. But Elephant has not been fed. Oh no, what about Elephant? And poor Elephant, who is very hungry, bellows. Did you forget? Oh, Sam, did you forget? All the animals are very sorry for Hungry Elephant. But just as a tear starts to fall from the elephant's eye, just as Elephant starts to cry, Sam calls out, Forget? I never forget. And there Sam is with a wagon full of golden hay. Oh, Elephant, it's just that you're so awfully big and you do eat such a lot. So I brought you a wagon all of your own. See, Sam didn't forget. Elephant smiles. You didn't forget. And I do so love fresh hay. Elephant hugs Sam. Thank you, Sam. And Sam hugs the elephant. And just so no one should ever forget, just so everyone always remembers, Elephant trumpets. Hooray for Sam! Sam who never, ever, never, Sam who never, never forgets.